Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and nutritious matcha chia oat parfait that you can prep in advance for your busy work week. This breakfast is packed with superfoods, and it's so easy to prepare. Let's dive right in. Here's what you'll need. 1/2 cup rolled oats, 2 tablespoons chia seeds, 1 tablespoon matcha powder, 2 cups milk, dairy or non-dairy, 2 cups yogurt, plain or flavored, 1/4 cup pumpkin seeds, 1 cup blueberries, 1 cup strawberries, sliced 1 banana, sliced 2 to 4 tablespoons honey to sweeten. First, let's prepare our chia mixture. In a bowl, combine your chia seeds, matcha powder, and rolled oats. Now, pour in the milk and stir it all together. Let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes until it thickens up. This is where the magic happens. While that's thickening, let's sweeten the yogurt. In a separate bowl, mix your yogurt with honey. You can adjust the sweetness based on your taste. I love a bit of honey in mine for that extra touch. Now, once your chia mixture is ready, it's time to layer everything up. Grab your airtight container or mason jar and start with a layer of the chia oat mixture at the bottom. Next, add a generous layer of your honey-sweetened yogurt, followed by a sprinkle of pumpkin seeds for some crunch. Then add a layer of blueberries and sliced strawberries. Repeat these layers until you reach the top of your jar. Finally, finish it off with some beautiful sliced bananas. Look at those vibrant colors. Now, seal your jars and pop them in the fridge. These parfaits will stay fresh for up to 5 days, making them perfect for breakfast on the go. Just grab one in the morning and you're all set. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more healthy meal prep ideas. Share your creations with me in the comments below. What's your favorite breakfast? Thanks for watching and happy meal prepping.